Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental controls on Honor Magic 7 Lite. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and click on Manage your Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy, and then you have to scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. Now you have to enter lock screen, and then you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes, then click delete account, and now my account should be removed. So now let's open Google Play Store and click sign in. Now let's enter a lock screen pattern, and here I have to enter my email address. Then click next, and as you can see my account is deleted, so now I have to click next to recover it, and here I have to enter my password. Then click I agree, and click accept. And now as you can see my account is recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.